Hi, Tom here. In this week's Circle Line Optical video, I'll show you an easy way to draw an impossible triangle. The first step is to draw a simple triangle in the center of your paper, using a pencil. Next, extend two of the edges of the triangle, a small amount. And then extend the third edge of the triangle by a longer line going downwards. Next, draw three lines that are parallel to the first three lines of the triangle. The first line is long. The second line is also long. But the third line is parallel, but the third line is also at a greater distance to the edge of the original triangle that it's parallel to. Next, draw three more long lines, again parallel to the three sides of the original triangle. Notice that the third line is closer to the nearest line that it is parallel to. Now, draw three more lines. This time each line is parallel to the opposite side of the original triangle that we drew. Now you have completed the impossible triangle. It's a shape that's easy to draw, but it's impossible to create as an object in real life. Next, you could shade in one area dark, one area a mid-tone, and one area a light tone. For this drawing, I use a 4B pencil. Any soft dark pencil would be good. I hope you find this video useful for your own drawings, and please comment and like and share, and also subscribe if you haven't already to my YouTube channel, Circle Line Art School, so that you can keep up to date with all the content that I make. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time. Have you ever wanted to make drawings that seem to jump right off the page? Now you can create these eye-catching images yourself with Drawing Amazing Optical Illusions, a book made specifically for beginners. This book is packed with simple step-by-step projects that make drawing 3D art easy and fun. Each chapter breaks down the process, guiding you to create impossible shapes, floating objects, and even 3D cities. If you're just starting out with drawing, or want to expand your drawing skills, Drawing Amazing Optical Illusions is designed to build your confidence. The book's clear instructions make it easy to follow along, and you will be amazed by what you can create just with a pencil and paper. Drawing Amazing Optical Illusions is available now.